Hello, today we're talking about decluttering your cleaning tools. So today I want you to look and see what you've got to clean with. Do you have 15,000 rags? Have you saved every washcloth and bit of torn up paper and cut up undershirts that you could possibly save? You don't need all of that. You want to declutter some of that. So take a few minutes and say, how many cloths do I sincerely need? And get rid of those other things. Keep your best ones. If one day you need to get a new one, I'm sure it won't be a problem. Okay, go through your cleaning products. How much do you have? When you put it all together, and that's what organization is, it's putting it all together. Go get it and put it all together. Do you have 4 cans of I don't know, Pledge or some version of Pledge? You need 1. So if those old ones are in there, get rid of them. Keep 1, maybe 1 back up. If you've got one that's pretty full and one that's brand new, that's fine. But get rid of those little bits and bobs and pieces. Okay, so get rid of that. Let's talk about your actual clean, and the same goes with Windex and all the other things we have. Now let Mrs. Meyer's spray, tub cleaner, toilet cleaner, you can get very specific. You don't have to, but if you have it, organize it and don't have too many of those things. Know where they are. And then let's talk about the actual tools, like your vacuum cleaner. Have you cleaned it out lately? Do you keep it emptied? Have you taken the bar and gotten all the hair and stuff off of it? Sometimes I pop mine out and get a pair of scissors and cut that off, because this long hair gets wrapped around that bar and it won't do a good job. So cut that off. Clean the dust out of it. Get it ready to go. And then when you're done, make sure you wrap your plug, your wire, your cord nice and pretty, so it looks presentable. So when you get ready to use it, you just pop off the plug, undo the cord, plug it in, and it's not all tangled up. So take good care of your mop. If you have a spray mop, make sure you've washed the slip-on head. If you have a microfiber head, that goes in the wash every time you use it. Make sure that if you don't have that kind of mop, whatever kind of mop you have, you've cleaned out the head so that it's dry now and ready for you the next time. Okay, so today I want you to really take good care of your cleaning stuff, because your cleaning stuff makes cleaning easier when it's organized. Have a great day.